Come back to the class. So in this class now we are solving other questions on functions and functions. So now let's see how to solve this. Now let's solve. We have solution. We have y equals to 5 over 6 minus s is power 2 r is power 3. R is power 3. R is power 3. R is power 3. So let's, just like what we did previously, let's u equals to 6 minus s squared, 6 minus s squared, then the u over the x is equals to, this is a constant, so when differentiate a constant, that will be 0 minus 2 s is power 2 minus 1. So we have the u over the x equals to minus 2x. So now go back to where we have y equals to 5 over 6 minus x raised to power 2 is u. So we put u, we're having u raised to power 3. Now, of which I can express this in index form as 5 u raised to power minus 3, which is inverse, which is 1 over reciprocal, 1 over. So we're having 5 u raised to power minus 3. Then that means we have y equals to 5 u raised to power minus 3. Then the next thing is just for me to find the derivative of y with respect to u. So I have 5, that will be minus 5, which is minus 3. Let me change to minus 3 of 5. So 5 times minus 3 u raised to power minus 3 minus 1. So we have du, dy over du equals to minus 15 u raised to power minus 4. So we have gotten our du over the x as well as dy over du. So from functions of functions, we can chain rule. So from the y over the x, which is equals to the y over the u times the u over what? The x. So what's our dy over the u? Dy over the u is 15. It's minus 15. U raised to power minus 4. U raised to power minus 4 times du over the x, du over the x, du over the x is equals to minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 2x. So now here, We want to simplify. Minus times minus will give us plus. And we have 15 times 2, we have 30. U raised to the power minus 4. U raised to the power minus 4 x, which I can change that to 30 x u raised to the power minus 4. So but u equals to 6 minus x is power 2. 6 minus x is power 2. 6 minus x is power 2. So now let's substitute that. We have our dy over the x equals to 30x 30x into brackets 30x, u is now into brackets 6, u is 6 minus x is power 2 or raised to the power minus 4. So that is the solution to the derivative. Now the short form, let's look at the short form. And the short form is also a way of confirming if your solution is correct. So we have short form. So short form so we have y, which is equal to 5 over 6 minus s squared raised to the power of 3. Let me confirm that. 5 over 6 minus s power 2 or s power 3. Now let's look at the short form now. Now the short form, I have to express this to form of index as well. So 5, this means 5 into bracket 6 minus x is power 2 minus 3. Minus 3. This is just like see, we are having x over y. X over y. I can break x over y as x times 1 over y. So which we have x times this, we can put index of us is power minus y. So we have x y is power minus y. So it's similar to what we have here. Now we now differentiate x here. If you differentiate x, we have x is just like you're having y equals to minus x is power 2. So the y over the x here will be minus 2, x is power 2 minus 1. So we have the differentiation of x. We are having minus 2 x is power what? This is 2 minus 1, that will be 1. So it means that the differentiation of x here is what? Minus 2. So I have the y over the x equals to minus 2 x. We have 5 here. So it should be 5 times minus 2x. You can still put this way. Times 5. Now, this minus 3 will come down. We multiply everything here. We have minus 3 Then repeat this again. We are having 6 minus x raised to power 2, all raised to power minus 3 minus 1. So now let's simplify. So let's continue from there. Now, let's continue from here. We now have minus times minus plus, right? 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 3, 30. We are having our x, that will be what? 30x. We have dy over the x equals what? 30x. Now, with this, now we are having into brackets 6 minus x squared, all raised to power minus 3 minus 1, that will be what? Minus 4. So, we check it with what we did, see that it's the same answer. So, this is how to solve in a short form if it is objective, you understand. And it's an alternative way of confirming if what you have solved is correct. So, that's that.